Let's go on an adventure. Welcome to the Travel Hustle, your go-to channel for the world's most epic destinations. Today, we're counting down 10 iconic places you absolutely need to see in your lifetime. Ready? Let's go. First up, China's Great Wall. 13,000 miles of ancient stone winding across green hills. Walking here, you feel the weight of centuries and the stories in every stone. It's not just a monument, it's a journey through time, connecting travelers from all over the world. Standing on the Great Wall, you don't just see history, you feel it. Next, Paris, the Eiffel Tower, once controversial, now the city's shining heart. Climb it for sweeping views by day, or watch it sparkle at night from the Champ de Mars. It's a place where people from everywhere gather, sharing in the magic. The Eiffel Tower reminds us that what's strange today can become tomorrow's icon. Now to Jordan's Petra, carved into rose-red cliffs, hidden behind the winding Seek. The first glimpse of the treasury is unforgettable, but Petra is a whole city of wonders. Climb to the monastery, explore ancient tombs, and feel the thrill of discovery. Walking here, you're an explorer in a real-life adventure. Petra is a wonder that truly lives up to its legend. In Rome, the Colosseum rises from the city, a symbol of drama, history, and engineering. Stand in the arena, imagine the roar of the crowd, and marvel at its survival through centuries. It's a time machine to the Roman Empire, right in the heart of modern life. In Rome, history and delicious food are always side by side. In New York, the Statue of Liberty stands tall, a symbol of hope and freedom. Take the ferry, see the skyline, and feel the promise she represents. Climb to the crown for a unique view, and remember the millions who saw her as a new beginning. Lady Liberty is more than a statue, she's the keeper of a dream. In Agra, India, the Taj Mahal is pure poetry in marble. A palace built for love. No photo does justice to its beauty or the feeling of seeing it in person. Watch it change color with the light, admire the intricate details, and feel the peace and devotion in the air. The Taj connects people from all over the world in silent awe. It's a timeless testament to love. High in Peru's Andes, Machu Picchu emerges from the clouds, a city lost for centuries. The journey there is an adventure, and the view is simply breathtaking. Explore ancient temples, meet llamas, and feel the spiritual energy of this mountaintop wonder. Machu Picchu is a place that connects you to the earth and the past. In Dubai, the Burj Khalifa pierces the sky, the tallest building on Earth. Ride the lightning-fast elevator to the top for views that stretch for miles. Watch the city and desert unfold below, and see the fountain show from above. The Burj Khalifa is proof of what's possible when we dream big. In San Francisco, the Golden Gate Bridge glows orange against the bay, a masterpiece of design and connection. Walk, bike, or drive across for classic views, especially when the fog rolls in. It's not just a landmark, it's part of daily life and a symbol of unity. The Golden Gate reminds us that beauty often connects us. Finally, Egypt's Pyramids of Giza, the last ancient wonder, rising from the desert. Stand before these massive stones and feel the mystery and ingenuity of the ancients. Touch history, gaze at the Sphinx, and ride a camel for a true bucket list moment. The pyramids make you feel small, but deeply connected to humanity's story. It's the perfect end to our journey. That's our tour of 10 must-see wonders, which is on your list. Let us know in the comments. Like, subscribe, and join the Travel Hustle for more adventures every week. Until next time, stay curious, stay ready, and never stop exploring.